Hi there! Welcome to this groovy tour of the tutorial editor in the Analytics Buddy Chrome extension. The Analytics Buddy is a Chrome extension we developed to make learning web analytics simpler and more fun. One of the neat things it offers are tutorials, wizard-like tours of Google Analytics reports with explanations, tips and tricks, the works. This video here is aimed at tutorial author wannabes to show them just how powerful Analytics Buddy tutorials are. So hang on to your toque, as they say up here in the north, and let's dive in. Warning: the tutorial I'm going to create today is very simple, but rather pointless, so don't judge me on content. Just look at the technical prowess. First, I go to the report I want to start my tutorial on. In this case, we'll use the organic search report. I click the New Tutorial button, fill out the information, and I'm now left editing my tutorial's first step. On that first step, let's ask our user to sort the report by the average time on site column in descending order. We won't let them proceed until they've done so. So we set up our own GA report accordingly by sorting on the column we want in the direction we want. Then we hit the Step Validation button and require that both the sort column and the sort direction be set to the values we used here. Now, on step 2, we will want the user to identify the first keyword in that sorted list. So let's add a new step, set the caption, and add a text field to it so the user can enter the keyword value. We set our field's name to keyword value so it's easier to identify in the tutorial editor. To make sure the user doesn't change the sort order, let's make sure our step's URL includes those sort parameters. We click on the Report Parameters button and require both the sort column and sort direction parameters to be set to the current values. We again use the Step Validation button, but this time we will set our rule on the text field we just created, and we want the value entered to match the value of a particular area on the page. So we point our tutorial editor to the area or box where the answer will lie. Whatever is on that first row, first column, when our user views the report will be the answer we expect in our text field. Anything but that value, and she won't be able to proceed. On our final step, we will use the user's answer, the keyword value they entered, to filter the all traffic report and show the user what sources use that keyword to bring visitors to their site. We first go to the all traffic report, set up the secondary dimension and advanced filtering, and then we add a new step. To apply the secondary dimension and advanced filtering to the report, all we need to do is set up the step's URL parameters. We click on the Report Parameters button and require that the segment parameter be set on the analytics keyword value and that the filter parameter be set to the keyword value the user entered in the field on the previous step. In this last step, we can use the user's answer in our caption so that we all know which keyword we are talking about. And let's add pointers to the elements the tutorial set up automatically so the user knows how to reproduce this in the future. Let's point at the secondary dimension drop-down and at the advanced filtering field. Alright, we are done. Let us publish this bad boy and see how it looks from the user's perspective. Now put on your student cap and let's see what we can learn from this very insightful new tutorial. Step 1 requires us to sort a particular way. Let's oblige and hit the next button to go to step 2. Step 2 asks us to type in the first keyword in the list. Let me make a typo on purpose and see what happens. Can't go any further. Alright, I give up. Let's correct the mistake, hit next, and voila! We are taken to the all traffic report, our pointers are visible, and the keyword has been used in both the steps caption and in the actual report filtering. Now this is obviously a very high-level tour of the tutorials and tutorials editor in the Analytics Buddy Chrome extension. For more in-depth information, please check out our site at www.analyticsbuddy.com, and happy analytics!